in the R.L. Miller Express store here this morning. I want to give you a little demonstration on how this Enerpac Suckomatic Valve will assist you in retracting large bore hydraulic cylinders on a single acting cylinder application. The Suckomatic valve is a hydraulic valve. We've just recently installed a kit on our standard Enerpac hydraulic power unit. The valve will work with the solenoid valve. It worked with the standard pendant as well. And what this is going to do in the retract of this hydraulic cylinder, and here's a large bore cylinder right here. When we retract this cylinder with no load on it, it's very difficult. There's no spring and nothing to get this cylinder to retract. The Suckomatic valve is a Venturi that will pull a vacuum on this single acting line. It'll pull a Venturi vacuum, allowing the cylinder to retract. This cylinder is popular in applications with heavy equipment, heavy lifting, bridge construction, in particular bridge repair, bearing replacement applications. And once the load is off of this cylinder, it's very difficult for it to retract. So this Suckomatic valve, as you will see in this demonstration, when you're working around hydraulic equipment and machines, this hydraulic valve will make your life a lot easier in trying to retract these cylinders. You need no other special equipment or press or such to get these to retract. We're going to do a demonstration on a Suckomatic valve on our Enerpac Power Unit. You can see that the cylinder is retracting. Without the Suckomatic valve, we would have a little difficulty trying to get that cylinder to retract. The valve is built into the hydraulic power unit, so we're just on the retract button. Suckomatic works like a little Venturi and vacuums the oil out of the cylinder. In normal circumstances, would have to put some weight on this cylinder to get it to retract. Okay, so I got another angle here that I'm going to show. This is the Suckomatic valve mounted on our Enerpac. It's a 4-way directional control valve. Go ahead, turn it on. Power unit's running. That's the same cylinder in the previous demo that we did extend. That it does retract slowly, but very little effort. No additional weight to get it to retract. At R.L. Miller, we have a large selection of Enerpac jacks or rams for construction applications. We have in stock up to 400 ton. Most of them are locking collar type, so that when you extend the cylinder, you can lock the collar with the screw, as shown in the video, to mechanically support the load. Come to our express store here in Green Tree. We carry a large supply of cylinders, pumps, motors, valves, torque wrenches in the Enerpac product line. We have the ability to repair and test up to 500 ton capability here at our shop in Green Tree. We have many of these Enerpac products in stock, including the couplers, seal kits for rebuild, hydraulic power units for rent. We also have torque wrenches up to 6,000 foot-pounds available. Visit our website, rlmillerllc.com, where we have many tutorial type videos to explain some of the products that we work with every day. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips.